welcome back to this channel. Today, we're gonna have a walk and talk about desires. Now, as people, we desire many things, and that might include things such as hats, good clothes, shoes, or more simple things like eating food or going to bed every night. But it makes sense that we have all these desires because it helps us stay alive and it makes sure that we're being healthy. But sometimes desires don't help us and they prevent us from living. And they're really hard to control sometimes because we were meant to have those desires. As an example, if you were driving on the street, you got really mad at the driver, and you wanted to get into a fight with him, that wouldn't be a very good desire. But a lot of people do it anyway because they can't control their internal urges. The best way to be successful is to learn the skill of managing your internal desires or urges. Not every urge we get is beneficial for us. Some of them can harm us, but it's best to know which urges to listen to and which to ignore. Imagine if you were the CEO of a company and you had to decide which offers to reject or accept. There are too many offers to accept them all, and you can't lose out on all the opportunities and reject them all. You have to make good, informed decisions, and you would be able to do that because you're an experienced CEO. And this all ties back to the idea that with more experience and more years that you have in your life, you'll be able to make better and more informed decisions.